How to unfriend someone on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unfriend or remove someone on Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the Bitmoji or the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here in this section, simply scroll down and tap on My Friends. And now in the new page, there you'll see the list of all your friends on Snapchat. So simply scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find the person that you want unfriend. And now here, once you've found them, simply tap on their name. And now here, once you're inside the chat, just tap on their profile name at the top, and after that you'll be prompted to the profile section. Now here you simply have to tap on the three dot icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on manage friendship, and you can just tap on remove friend and confirm it when prompted. But here, if you don't want them to contact you again, then you can also tap on block instead. And blocking will remove them from your friends list and stop them from messaging or viewing your stories. And that's it. That's how you can unfriend someone on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.